Good afternoon, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport-Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and we just had the pleasure to cut the ribbon on Alps Mountain Affordable Hearing Aids. Good afternoon. Please tell me, introduce yourself.
I'm Jeff Cline. I'm the owner of the business. We have 6 locations, and the Southport office is our newest location. We've been here about 2 years now, and we offer free hearing tests. We do all kinds of testing for hearing loss, and we fit hearing aids on people who are needing help with their hearing loss.
So there's a lot of people with a lot of hearing loss around here.
There's a lot, yes. This is a retirement community area, so we have a large population. Pretty much anybody the age of 60 above probably has some hearing loss, and then we just test them to see if it's something we can address or if they need help, and if it isn't, then we'll make recommendations on what to do, or if there is something we can help them with. We offer all types of hearing aids and hearing technology.
And it's not just for the older population as well, it's for the younger people.
That's right,
too.
yeah. We're seeing now we're seeing a lot of people that are younger, music, loudness, that kind of stuff. You know, there's other hearing issues that create for younger people as well, but typically our age is going to be somewhere from above 18, 19 on up to 70, 80, 90 years old.
So how do they make an appointment to come get their free hearing test? Because that's where you start, right?
That's right, yeah. We start with the free hearing test, and just to kind of see if there's something we need to help them with, or if they have issues, and we give them a kind of a consultation with that. They can call our office. Our Southport office here is 910-477-6012. They can call that number any moment, anytime they want to, and Debbie will answer a phone and take care of it and set up the appointments.
And what is your website?
It's alpsmountainaffordablehearing.com.
And you don't spell mountain out, correct?
No, just Alps MTN Affordable Hearing.
Thank you so much, and we appreciate you being a member of the Chamber, and we look forward to you letting us hear a little better.
All right, thank you so much.